Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABD, who running with? Main machine. My daddy said, son, you're gonna drive and drinking.
Alright guys, welcome to the video. I am currently on vacation at the place I camp at every year. I've made a couple videos here in the past of riding at the sand pits that are close to the campground here. This video is going to be all the collected footage of the week I'm here. Every so often riding at that sand pit, whatever footage I collect. My back tire is super bad. I will admit I did do a couple burnouts while I was here. Some pretty big ones, but before coming here it was really bad. I should have got a new one before coming, but I thought it would have been fine, but it was not. So I'm really struggling to get up some of the big sand hills. I guess it's just another new little challenge. Work a little harder to get up the hills. For now, we're gonna go riding. Good? Got my little cousin Yap riding with me today at the camp I always ride at. Yap is a big fan of my YouTube channel, so hi Yap. Damn it, my leg hit the kill switch right there. Oh, I can't kick it on this hill. Maybe I can. Give it a try. I have to dig out some sand for the Kickstarter. Hey, there we go. Donuts. Yap shredding the donuts. Oh, he almost fell. You're not gonna kill all the bugs outside, yeah. Might as well not even try. Oh, now we got David on the 125. Not bad, not bad. Headed out to the sand dune pits, whatever you want to call it. We got some shovels and rakes in the back of my cousin's Ranger, and we're gonna try and make some jumps. No guarantees if any of them will work or if we can find a spot for a good one, especially with my back tire being so bad, but we're gonna give it a try. Path there a bit and a tree hit my front brake. That was funny. It's okay. How was that, buddy?
Fuck you. That hit me.
I'm sorry, I can't pass an opportunity up like that. It was just too easy. Uh-oh, second opportunity. That one was better than the last. And only 5 minutes apart.
Yeah, well, this bike can't make it up this hill.
I've seen it make it up. I love it here, it's so beautiful.
Pull up on me. You got me scheming. Pull up. I'm scheming. Pull up on me. You got me scheming. Pull up.
Pull up, yeah. Pull up on some yellow cap street shit. Faded off the sand, you be sneaking. Tell me where you be at in the nighttime. Baby, hit me on that lifeline. Damn, I love your bad Americano body. Ferragamo on me. Probably let the party know De Niro on me. I'ma shoot. Got that barrel on me. I got black on black apparel on me. Girl, I know you see me lurking. Yeah. On some L'Oreal shit, I know you worked it. You a head case, baby, wonder where you learned it. Looking for a student, I be perfect, yeah.
That would be out of gas. No. Out of gas. That's what I would call bone dry. We're at the pits, just ran out of gas. Buddy David's going to get a jerry can. I don't know if this is picking up on camera, but there are a million mosquitoes around my face right now. This gas cannot come any sooner. Holy shit. I hate mosquitoes. My hero.
Ready, buddy?
Thank you very much. Oh, that's the good stuff, right? Full. Oh, I stalled. All right, so my vacation here is over. Normally I just close out the video here, but loading these two bikes up is going to be interesting.
Don't make it any harder than we need to handle them. Or the front tire, and then get it up here on the swing arm, right there, and then you sit in the bucket with it. You want to, and then can you sit in the back there?
Maybe. That seems very sketchy.
You gotta sit in there.
How do I sit in there?
Here, stand on there, or sit. Yeah, can you sit back there maybe? Or
This is gonna be very interesting, I think. Watch out, Yap.
Yep.
Just try it for a sec. I almost fell today and this little plastic piece fell off. That's no good.
yeah, I got it.
Hold on, let me look.
It goes all the way up. You got it?
No.
Come on, what are you talking? You got it. You want the rear wheel to the front or to the back?
To the back. Here.
Ready? Tip it up, Spence.
It's gonna crush my wheel. Whoa, 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 whoa! You're crushing the wheel! Up!
Get it over there. Okay. Watch this.
Yes. The bike doesn't fit sideways in the bucket, so it just got even more complicated. Stop.
Hey!
Up.
Screw your video!
Up.
Forward! Up!
A little more. Stop. I'll strap it down. You guys just lean it in there for now. A little more. Angle it forward, pup. Oh yeah, right. I'll go up there and I'll strap it. Yeah, you're good.
Down.
Well, we have both bikes loaded up. I don't know how much I like this idea, but it'll more than likely be fine. It just seems unsettling to me. I don't know why. We gotta load the rest of our camping stuff in the bottom bed here. Get it less top heavy as much as we can at least. And then 24-hour drive home. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LA BB who we running with, yeah, 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10 again.